Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you the song I Will Exalt You by Hillsong United. As always, I'm going to play through the song for you first, and then afterwards I will break it down and explain it to you in more detail, so make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and get started with the song.
I will exalt you. I will exalt you. I will exalt you. You are my God. I will exalt you. I will exalt you. I will exalt you. You are my God. My hiding place, my safe refuge, my treasure, Lord, you are my friend and King, anointed one, most holy. Because you're with me, because you're with me, because you're with me, I will not fear. My hiding place, my safe refuge, my treasure, Lord, you are my friend and King, anointed one, most holy. I will exalt you. I will exalt you. I will exalt you. You are my God.
For this song, we're going to be using 5 chords from the C chord family. We're going to be using the C chord, F over C chord, D minor, A minor, and G. Now, even though we're playing with the C chord family, I'm going to be using the capo on my 2nd fret, which is going to bring the key up to the key of D. For the strum pattern for this song, we're going to be using the universal pattern, which is a 8-beat strum pattern. So what I'm going to do is just play the strum pattern. I'm going to count out when I'm strumming so that you can kind of hear what's going on. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So what's important to remember for this strum pattern is that we're not going to be strumming down on every beat. We're going to be strumming down on beat 1, and then we're going to be skipping the down strum on beat 2 and 3, and instead we're going to be doing an up strum in between those beats. But remember, my hand is always going to be moving down on the beats. No matter if I'm hitting the strings or not, my hand is always moving down on the beats and up between the beats. Now there's an interesting transition in the verses. Right when we start singing the line, one of the lines of the verses, we're going to be strumming, we're going to stop the strum pattern that we're usually doing, that universal pattern, and we're just going to strum to the lyrics, okay? So we're going to strum to the melody. We're going to like emphasize the words that we're singing. I will exalt. So those parts that I'm singing, I'm going to follow that with my strumming hand until I'm done with that line, and then I'm going to go back to the strumming pattern that I've been playing for the whole song.
I will exalt thee. I will exalt thee. I will exalt thee.
Now this is something you can do anytime in any song, just to kind of add a little bit more emphasis on a particular part of the song, or to add some dynamics to kind of break up the strumming pattern a little bit. This is a way to do that. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.